Hello, I'm Laurie Criss, Director of the Ohio Department of Mental Health and Addiction Services, and I'd like to talk with you about mental health first aid, a training being made available at no cost throughout the state of Ohio for adults who are working with adolescents, transition-aged youth, faith and spiritual communities, minority communities, and older adults. Today, all Ohioans, both adults and youth, are facing unprecedented challenges as we adjust to what's being called the new normal. Work, school, and everyday life are profoundly affected. And it's not surprising that these changes are impacting our mental health. In fact, a recent U.S. Census Bureau survey showed that nearly 1/3 of Americans are demonstrating signs of clinical anxiety or depression. So now more than ever, it's important that we take care of ourselves and support one another. And mental health first aid is a great way to start. Mental health first aid is a course that teaches you how to identify, understand, and respond to signs of mental illness and substance use disorders. The training gives you the skills you need to reach out and provide initial support to someone who may be developing a mental health or substance use problem, and help connect them to the appropriate care. In essence, mental health first aid answers the questions, what should I look for, and what can I do to help? An evidence-based training, mental health first aid has been adopted by over 20 countries, and in the United States, over 2 million people have been certified as mental health first aiders. During the training, you'll learn the common signs and symptoms of mental illness and substance use, as well as the risk factors and protective factors that impact our mental health. In addition, you'll learn the 5-step ALGE action plan, which teaches you how to assess for risk of suicide or harm, listen non-judgmentally, give reassurance and information, encourage appropriate professional help, and encourage self-help and other support strategies. There is no cost for the training, and course materials are covered through a State of Ohio Department of Mental Health and Addiction Services grant. Currently, mental health first aid is being offered as a 6-hour online course, which includes 2 hours of individual pre-work and 4 hours of online instructor-led training. In-person training will be made available when it's safe to do so. All Ohio residents should consider taking mental health first aid, including employers, police officers, hospitals and nursing home staff, first responders, as well as faith-based and community groups. Youth mental health first aid training is available and appropriate for teachers, school staff, parents, youth counselors, faith-based groups, and any individual that works with youth. We're proud to offer this mental health first aid training. On behalf of all of us at the Ohio Department of Mental Health and Addiction Services, be well and stay safe.